Action.
Right, you say yo.
Yo.
Yes, that's twice. Got a problem with that?
Yes.
You had a gap back in the day.
That was a trick question.
Trick question.
We
No,
don't like
wait.
trick questions
Have I got
because they
something in
hurt
my
people's
teeth?
Feelings.
Have I got something in my teeth?
No. You're all good. We had a gap back in the day.
Back in the day. But I got it fixed. Yeah, people have been saying my makeup's
is
too
too
dark,
dark.
which I think is
A big shower.
Right, listen up. She got a new shirt today.
And it's totally emo amazing.
Like emo amazing.
I always wanted to be the brain.
And I always want to be the yellow part, which is ironic because I'm wearing brown. But hey, yeah.
But I always wanted to be, the teeth. Because she's just fierce.
Yeah, we have I got something in our teeth?
No. But you had a gap back in the day.
Back in the day.
Did you?
As the bell rings.
No, Saved by the Bell. No.
No.
As the bell rings. Yeah.
Got the choo-choo.
Wait, that was a trick question.
Oh, wait, we don't like trick questions.
Why?
They hurt
You want to know
people's
why?
feelings.
Want to know why? Want to know why? Because they hurt people's feelings.
Why Cinderella?
Yeah.
Hair for famous.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Go on. Get
Right.
with it.
Yeah.
Just go
So,
this eyeliner, don't tell.
yeah.
like
So, about this dark makeup.
Everybody is wearing dark makeup.
That is
dark
just
So,
fashion.
Where'd you put the black?
Oh my
Yeah, eyeliner.
This is how I used to wear it, and I thought I'd go back with.
And eyelashes.
Where'd
Yeah.
you put it?
Our
Where'd you put
sexy
it?
faces.
Ah. Right, just to let you know, guys, we got loads of new videos coming up. We're breakdancing and even a music video.
And we like to hide
With
in the dark.
special guests Kyle, Messi, and his brother, and I can't even remember his name right now.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
We're
so
going now.
delicious.
Keep tuned to Miley, Mandy, Show.
Peace
out.